Does your skin look gray, dull, or tired lately? You might think it is just a part of aging, but there's a hidden reason for this sudden change. It often comes down to one specific internal health factor. In this video, I will show you how to fix it. You can restore your natural glow faster than you think. Stick with me to see your skin transform this week. If you want more health tips for your 50s, subscribe to Vital 50 Plus now. Your skin is a direct reflection of your internal circulation. Medical experts call this gray appearance a lack of luster. A study from Harvard Health highlights the role of blood flow. As we age, our microvessels can become much less efficient. This means less oxygen and nutrients reach your skin's surface. When oxygen levels drop, your skin loses its pinkish hue. It starts to look ashen, flat, and noticeably older today. Another major factor is the buildup of dead skin cells. This thick layer traps light instead of reflecting it out. It creates a shadow effect that looks like gray dust. The National Institutes of Health links this to slow turnover. Basically, your body is not shedding old skin fast enough. But the biggest culprit is often hidden deep inside you. A sluggish liver can cause toxins to show on your face. This manifests as a muddy or dirty skin tone daily. Your liver acts as the main filter for your blood. If it slows down, your blood becomes thick and dark. This dark blood flows right under your thin facial skin. It creates a dull, grayish cast that makeup cannot hide. Fortunately, nature has provided a very powerful internal vacuum for us. You can actually wash your skin from the inside out. We are going to use a specific route to start, but first, you must know about the hydration trap now. Most people drink water, yet their skin stays bone dry. This is because your cells aren't actually absorbing the moisture. This creates a parched look that emphasizes the gray color. Poor hydration makes your skin look like a dried leaf. We need to push water deep into your cellular walls. In the next section, we will fix your internal plumbing. Do you know which common vegetable acts like a skin filter? The secret to erasing that gray cast starts with your liver. A study in the Journal of Dermatology confirms this link. You need to consume foods that act as a natural filter. The most powerful skin filter vegetable is actually the beet. Beets contain betalains, which help your liver process old toxins. This clears your blood so it looks bright and red again. When your blood is clean, your face looks naturally rosy. Try drinking 1 small glass of beet juice every morning. Another essential tool is the power of vitamin C. The NIH states vitamin C is vital for collagen synthesis, but it also acts as a natural brightener for your cells. Eat 1 red bell pepper daily to see a difference. Red peppers have more vitamin C than almost any citrus. Next, we must address the hydration trap mentioned earlier. Drinking plain water is often not enough for aging skin. Your cells need electrolytes to actually pull that water in. Add a pinch of sea salt to your morning water. This helps the moisture cross into your parched skin cells. You will see your skin plump up within 3 days. Also, focus on eating your water through hydrating cucumbers. Cucumbers contain silica, which strengthens your skin's connective tissue. This creates a smooth surface that reflects light beautifully. Avoid processed sugars that cause glycation in your blood. Sugar sticks to proteins and turns your skin yellowish-gray. Replace sugary snacks with a handful of walnuts instead. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fats that soothe skin inflammation. This reduces the redness that often masks your true glow. But there is one specific movement that resets your face. In the next part, we will discuss the gravity trick. Do you know how to send blood to your face instantly? The fastest way to fix gray skin is through movement. You must force fresh blood to reach your facial teeth. Dermatological journals suggest that inversion helps your skin's health. Primera KLL diste gravity trick for an instant glow. Sit on a chair and lean your head between knees. Hold this gentle position for only 30 seconds each day. You will feel a warm rush of blood to your face. This delivers oxygen directly to the areas that look gray. Another powerful tool is a simple facial massage technique. Use your fingertips to tap lightly all over your cheeks. This tapping wakes up your nerves and boosts local circulation. It works just like a natural blush for your tired skin. Now, let's combine everything into a fast vitality routine. Start your morning with that glass of fresh beet juice. Add a pinch of sea salt to your first water bottle. Spend 1 minute doing the gravity trick before your shower. Then, apply a natural oil like jojoba to your face. Jojoba oil mimics your skin's natural oils almost perfectly. This seals in the moisture we pushed into your cells. At lunch, make sure to eat your red bell pepper. This provides the vitamin C shield you need for protection. By evening, your skin will look more alive and vibrant. Consistency is the real secret to keeping the gray away. If you do this for 7 days, people will notice. They will ask you what new cream you are using. But you will know the secret is all on the inside. You have the power to restore your youth today. Check the description for a list of these skin-saving foods. Keep living with vitality, and I will see you next. Your skin deserves to glow at every age. Small daily changes lead to very big results. Try these tips and watch your face transform. If this helped you, please subscribe to Vital 50 Plus for more tips. Hit the bell so you never miss a health update. I would love to hear your results. Comment vitality if you are starting this today. Thank you for watching and for your support. Stay healthy and stay vibrant. Until next time.